Alright, you see? You win like a champion. And I guess that's how we're starting off today's vlog, with bunnies hopping. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? I'm here feeding my fish, getting something into my stomach before I head out on the road. Doing an early morning run. Today's holiday. I think today is Veterans Day. It was the end of some world war. I'll let Babe clarify exactly what holiday it is today. But I know it's not a holiday in Jamaica, it's Puppy Day in Jamaica. I remember going to school, it was always fun wearing puppy, even when we didn't understand exactly what was the meaning behind wearing puppy. For some reason, Puppy Day at school in Jamaica was always fun. And this last night when Babe asked me if we celebrate this holiday, I said no, Jamaica doesn't have a holiday in November. I realized that they celebrate it as Puppy Day, and that's when I realized that, oh, that's what it was. Anyway, hopefully you guys are doing well. Today is going to be a busy day for me. But first, let's head to the supermarket. Come back and give you guys the beloved supermarket haul, and we'll take it from there. So hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And if it's the first time to the fam, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with us. I'm gonna head on the road and get these things done, so I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Stick and stay now. Don't skip, don't log out, continue watch the video and watch all of it, but make sure you give it a thumbs up right now. And if it's your first time, make sure you subscribe right now, and tell a friend, we appreciate every single one of you. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. We are back.
We're on the supermarket, and you know,
Sarah, it's time for supermarket haul. You coming?
fifth. Like I said,
Look at her, look at her, look at her.
and we come
Look at her.
back from supermarket. You know what we
Look at her.
do every time?
She know her spot. She know her spot. But hey, you can take off your crown. Yes,
I
time.
want to say something to say.
Go ahead.
Like I said, we're coming back from supermarket, and we're back home. You know what we always do after we come back from a supermarket? We do supermarket haul.
Ready? Say supermarket haul. Watch the hand. Ready? Let's go. Come on.
No, this one we start by.
Yeah, you do that one, and I'm doing this
Lemon
one because we need to go
tea.
fast. Yeah, but you have to show Sarah.
No, Papa shows
Okay.
Sarah, you do the
Clementine.
one back and ready. And I
Oh.
think friends time.
High five. High five.
Yahoo!
What's that, Sarah?
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
And in
good
English
job.
is yogurt. What is this?
Yahoo!
She don't know where to look.
Yahoo!
What is this? Says celery.
Celery!
Wow.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me see if she know what this is. What this is? It's diaper.
Diaper.
For? Who is it for?
Diaper.
Diaper for Sarah.
Viande hachée.
And we get diaper on sale. Buy 2 get 1 free, right, babe? We got a lot of things on sale today.
Well,
Céréales.
cereals. We have cereals for the family. Sarah?
Potato. Sarah, what is this? Potato.
Potato, good job.
Look.
Nana. Somebody, hi, Nana.
Mama.
Nana.
Nana for
Nana is only for girls, women.
So, Mama, why?
Okay, here is your fun bag. Let's go.
We have the handheld bag.
Sarah, what is this, Sarah?
Sarah.
Sarah, no TV. Look, what is this? Hey. Stop watch Coco Melon. What is this? What is this? Exactly.
Watermelon.
What is this? Hey.
Oh, yeah, don't turn off
Sarah. Pretzel.
Biscuit.
the TV. Biscuit.
What's this? Yay.
Papa, ton devoir, c'est de montrer quoi
Sarah, Leno.
Léla.
Papa telling her about its juice.
Happy biscuit. Biscuit.
What's this?
Are the teeth like this? Half of it missing.
What's this? What's this?
Grapes.
Grapes. You want grapes? The grapes here. Grape, honey. Help to the house.
Café.
No, it's Tetley,
It's
it's
not
a tea,
coffee,
it's a
it's
British
Tetley.
tea. She wanted tea last time.
Papa,
She wanted
toi, je
that.
prends rien. Toi, ton devoir, c'est de
My
montrer
duty is to
à
correct
tout
you
le
when you say wrong things, okay?
No,
I'm the referee.
No.
Referee, yellow card. If you don't listen to the referee, you get a red card and you go straight to your room. 1, 2, 3.
No,
You want the red card?
No, I want
So
you
do.
to show Sarah.
You got already a yellow card. You soon get the orange card. Do.
Why you not provoking?
To show Sarah.
Some biscuits here. We have a lot of snacks. We have somebody took coconut. Coconut? What did I do with coconut?
When I do it, you'll know.
Is it aphrodisiac?
Coconut porridge.
Is it coconut porridge with how you call it? Red coconut?
Rape
No, how you call it?
Rape. Rape.
Yeah, but
Grated.
grated in
Yes.
English. When you don't know the word, you're just trying to make it sound
Rape.
English.
Rape coconut. Oh my God. That doesn't sound right at all.
Well, it's still the same.
Hey, I love when Sarah just make up our words, you know.
Chicken. Good
Chicken,
job.
What is
Chicken,
this? Good job.
apple.
What is this, Sarah?
We have some chicken bath, and somebody about to bake. You know when you find sugar, when you find the coconut, when you find it's like. Let me tell you something. By looking,
That's not true. I buy them because I need them.
When you look, when you're at the supermarket and you look at somebody's card, by looking at the card you can guess half of his life. If the man like the party, if the man is healthy, you can guess. When you see somebody with a lot of
So when you look at
salad,
my card, what you get?
you get everything. You have baking.
Exactly.
Jumbo.
But you don't
And
use
you have-
flour for baking.
and
You
you have-
put dumpling with flour.
You make one dumpling every 6 months. You want to bake. I'm sure I'm gonna find some sugar applicants. I promise you, I'm sure I'm gonna find some sugar. Look, I find reason. What is reason for? A snack. So, look, you can say that she enjoy life.
So why everything in the bag is about me? Why it's not about him? Why it's about me?
Paid the least, and
Me, so
And who
But I don't make the list based off me alone. Can you make the list? No.
Sure.
No, you can't. If you make the list, I go to the supermarket half of the things then not come.
Yeah, I will.
Exactly, because you don't.
Nouveau céréal, Tyler.
I tell you, sugar was there.
Can you
Yes.
show them my new
New cereal.
cereal?
I am going to act like he's not even here because it's going to irritate my soul. Kiwi.
Like with a festive face.
Pizza.
You're gonna irritate my soul. My soul. You know how you sound like? You know how you sound like?
Who?
Like your friend Sigri. Exactly. I don't know if you're watching. She looks
Sigri.
exactly like you. When you look at her and you say, in fiesti, exactly the same face. It's a Jamaican thing.
I'm going to make sure I send Sigrid to watch.
Ah! In fiesti.
Sweet pepper. You see, babe, make Sarah gone. Sarah, what is this? Chicken. Oh, your makeup word.
What is that? No.
Crazy. She says crazy.
It's tomato.
It's crazy. Your papa
Look at
crazy.
when she finds sweet bread, what is it for? Another baking.
Okay, let me admit it. Yes, I'm going to bake. But I'm not going to use the flour.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to make another bread pudding.
Thank you very much.
You guys will see why I'll make another bread pudding. in the
Okay
next
guys,
vlog.
this bag is mine. I admit this bag is mine. But everybody gonna enjoy it, but this bag is mine.
Here
So,
we go.
We have some,
Here we go.
how you call that?
Ham.
Like some ham. We have another type of ham.
Yeah, it's
We
like
have
pepperoni.
Some
Like-
cheese.
Uh-huh.
A pack of.
We're doing raclette to add for dinner.
And we have another pack of cheese. We're very hungry. We have bacon.
I like that, but you admit that the bag is his.
Bacon.
Mama, I want to tell you.
We have another bacon.
Hold on.
And we have another bacon here. Oh, this one is not mine.
Fishy, fishy. This food.
There we are.
Mama's
So,
favorite.
yeah, we're definitely gonna eat something good over the week, probably.
And we have, hold on tight, we have milk and water and tissue and all those things over
And
there.
nana.
Hold on
And
till let me end the vlog.
two-
Oh, come, rock, paper, scissors.
two
with
pack
you.
I
of
want to
nana.
tell you something in the ears first. Can we put that candle when we're going to eat at dinner?
Oh, the table will be so hot you won't need the candle.
Why do you do
But we can put a candle somewhere else.
put that candle in the
We'll think about
It's
it.
your birthday?
Okay? Leave him, let him be hopeless romance. No, what is wrong with you? At least he's romantic and like you. He's my child. Alright, rock, paper, scissors to end today's vlog. No,
I think it's last week.
it don't matter. Tyler, beat him, huh? Okay, focus. Rock, paper, scissors.
1-0. 2-0.
Alright, you see? You win like a champion.
And Mama's too strict because I didn't even
That's okay. You see? When you win, you see how happy you are. When you lose, not that you're to be happy, but you're not to be sad. Okay?
No.
Yes, Ty. Yes, Ty. Go on in necktie. Sit down up the tie. Sit down up the tie. Sit down, Ty. Put your foot over my head. Put your foot over here, so Ty. Yes. Stand up now, Papa. Stand up, hold on the tie. Come. Stand up now, champion. You see you win today? Good job. High five, champ. When you jump me, Pino, come down.
No!
Sarah, come from my head. Come, Sarah, fight them, Sarah. Sarah, fight.
I want to go down, Mama!
Alright, come down. Sarah, ride me. Sarah, color the sea. Alright, honey, stop.
Loser!
No, it's you!
Alright, finish. Calm, finish.
Ooh.
1C. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the vlog for today with the supermarket haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Catch pad, keep up. Tell face bye me poop by you. Babe, you know some me fart them deadly though. Some move from the bottom.
Like that.
Tell them
They
tomorrow.
have poof.
Tell them
See
tomorrow.
you guys tomorrow.
Wait, the day is not done. We're gonna start another vlog, but we're gonna end this one right here.